G'day guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show we're going to draw
The toxic waste barrel outfit from Wobbly Life.
the toxic waste barrel outfit from Wobbly Life. Wow, that's kind of cool. Let's do it.
Woo!
So we want to go sort of up around like this, like that, sort of like a horseshoe shape. And then you want to sort of just curve in at the bottom like that. So it's not quite, it kind of looks like a bun, I guess you could say.
It's a bun.
A bun, yum yum. All right, now we're gonna do the Wobbly's eyes. Pretty simple to do, so they're either side of the face. So one circle here, and then you come over here and do another circle over here. And you guessed it, let's color those in black.
But without highlights.
No highlights today.
Usually this one has like a baby Louie on its head, but this time it's like mostly like just like toxic waste on its head.
So the next step is we're gonna draw the barrel, on the top of the barrel, so the lid of the barrel. So what we're gonna do is I want you guys to sort of come a line around like that and go in like that. Yep, beautiful. And then we'll go around the other side of the face and do the same thing. Awesome work. And then we're just gonna like draw that line in as close as you can to the bottom of the head, like that, yeah. So at the moment, it kind of looks like a very weird character just sitting on the ground.
It looks like dinner served.
Dinner is served. Here's a bun with eyes. What you want to do next is we're going to draw the sides of the barrel coming down. So we're going to draw one line that goes down here, probably about there. There you go, there. Good. And we'll do the same thing on the other side.
Now it looks like it's on a table.
Yeah, it does look like it's on a table now. It looks like it's on a sculpture in an art gallery.
Very creepy art.
Very creepy art gallery. All right. Now, what you want to do at the bottom, we're going to just do a curve for the bottom of the barrel.
And we're going to do the same lid.
Yep. Well, now it looks like it's actually in an art gallery.
Yeesh.
Okay. So what we're going to do now, before we sort of refine the barrel, let's draw the Wobbly's legs and arms. So first thing, they're pretty simple to do. So we're going to start at the top of the barrel here, go down in one line, and then curve it in like that and go back up. So that's one arm, beautiful. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Down, around, and up. Whoa.
Sausage arms.
Cool. All right, very good. Now, the next thing you want to do, we're going to do the legs. So you want to go down. So these are really long U's or paper clips, I guess you could say. And we're going to do the same on the other side, down, around, and up like that. Oh, it's taking shape. That's looking cool, Phoenix.
Sausage legs.
Sausage legs, yep. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to get this barrel going. Now, on a toxic barrel, it has the toxic waste symbol. So we're going to draw a triangle in the middle. So you're going to go up like that on an angle, down like that on an angle, and then from off the bottom to have a triangle. Now we're going to do the toxic waste symbol in the middle. So the best thing you can do is just start with a circle in the middle and color it in black. It's probably the easiest way to do it. What you want you to do is just do like a horseshoe shape like that. And we'll come around the other side, do the exact same thing. It's like a C. And then we'll do a backward C or sideways C there. And there we go. Kind of looks like a bit like a spider, but it's kind of like the toxic waste barrel symbol. Now, what you want to do is I want you guys to thicken those lines around this radioactive symbol on the triangle. Make them thick, nice and thick, so people know that this is toxic.
Very, very toxic.
All right, there we go. Now, the next thing is let's form out the lines in a barrel. So when you see a barrel, it actually has these sort of shapes or lines through it. So let's do the one at the bottom. So you just want to form out a line like this. Like that. Okay. And now we're going to do two. So we're going to just sort of do one underneath this sign here. So you want to go a line like that. And another line around like that. So get them as close as you can, and let's lip them out on the sides here. Do the bottom ones as well.
I accidentally did that.
Oh, that's great, Phoenix. That's awesome. But that's that's another happy accident. Look at that. If you've got a little line like that, it doesn't matter because this is a barrel that's probably been pushed around and stuff. And, you know, when he wears the costume, it's like he's falling over, he's jumping up stuff, he's driving cars fast, you know, that sort of thing. Pew! Pew! Now, we're going to do a line that sort of comes through this part of the sign here. So you can curve this one, go around into there. Yep. And we'll do another line on the top of that one as close as you can get it.
And then we'll curve it off.
Curve it off at the sides, one there, that's right, and one there. There you go on there.
Bam.
Wow, that looks like a barrel, Phoenix. That's a barrel of laughs.
But we need the liquid.
All right, so yes, you're right. We need the liquid on this this wobbly. So we're going to start with the top of his head. So imagine the radioactive liquid has fallen down and it's just covered his head, his arms, and his legs. All right, so let's start around about sort of near the bottom of his eye here. We're going to just do a line that goes like that. And we'll come up and we'll go around. And you can kind of freely do this how you want. So we'll do something like that. So like a snake coming out. We'll go down, around like that. Think of it maybe if ice cream was dripping on your cone when you're eating your ice cream. Let's go around like this into there. Like I said, you can do whatever you want here. Make it up and then go round, up, down. Oh, good job, Phoenix. And
I have a small head.
A small head. That's cool. That's cool. And we're going to color that in green. So imagine this is yellow and this is green. It's going to look really good. It's going to look radioactive. Now let's start with the radioactive slime on this arm here. So you want to do around. I'm just going to do these ones sort of quick. You guys can do whatever you like with that. So it's like you're going up a hill, down a hill, into a valley. You go, oh, I'm going to drive right back up and come around and go back home. And then we'll do the same on this side here. We'll go down, around, up a hill, down a hill, like that.
Bam.
Bam.
He's been eating it.
Yes, he's been eating it. Now, on this side here, let's start on this leg. Go down. We're going to do a big drop, something like a teardrop, and go down, ruffle, 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 into there. And maybe we'll just do like a little curve here that will be green. So some stuff that's stripped off. Now on this side, what I want you to do is going to go in, down, loop up, around and into the leg there. So that's a big sort of bit of slime, radioactive slime that's dropped down. How are you going there? Good. Now let's do like a teardrop of one there and then maybe just one here, like that. Cool. There we go. I think we've almost got it. And what I want you guys to do is just come up to the top of the barrel here and just lip these ones up out a bit more. So we've got a bit more of a lid happening at the top there. But you know what? That's pretty much it. The outlines are done on the Wobbly Life radioactive outfit.
Woo.
Cool. So what did you think of that, Phoenix?
Woo.
Woo. All right. So the next step is we'll color in, guys. We'll see you on the other side.
Woo.
All right, there we go, guys. We're colored in. What did you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. What did you do with yours, Phoenix?
I mostly did some stuff.
Some stuff with the yellow and the green radioactive slime. We sort of kept to the original colors that you see in the video game, but if you want to do anything different, you could make purple radioactive slime and you could have
jelly.
It could be jelly and you could have a blue barrel,
From the Jelly Man.
From the Jelly Man, that's right. If you know Wobbly Life, you know what we're talking about.
Jelly Man in front of Grandma's house.
In Grandma's house, that's right. Anyway, my name is Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
Phoenix, and today we had fun making art, and I hope you did too. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Phoenix. And today on the show, we're going to draw.
The toxic waste barrel from... You can get the costume in the game. You just get the barrel and the pants for the barrel and the thing where you...
All right, first things first, we know with a wobbly, they have a face.
Go to Louie's bit and then jump into the toxic waste thing and you'll pop out and there'll be like a costume that you'll get.
Okay. It's not wobbly, but it's kind of circle, but it's kind of not circle.
So you put like the head of it, but you put the barrel and the pant liquid on it. So it looks like the wobbly just got, like the barrel came down from the air, smashed on him, popped his arms out, and he was covered in toxic waste.
I see. So up here on the page, you want to draw a scone. That's very interesting. Oh, that's a good tip for everyone at home. Yeah, that's cool.